If you are lucky enough to buy this home, you are going to have the best quality of life. This cul-de-sac is so peaceful and yet so connected. You can go for swims at the Claremont Pool, play golf at Lake Claremont, have a walk around the Claremont Lake. You are in the middle of everything. You will have the best lifestyle here. The house itself has a comfortable renovation and really good accommodation. There are 3 bedrooms, there's a dining area and a separate living area, and obviously the kitchen, which overlooks all of it. There's lots of spaces just to be. And then out the back, you have this undercover outdoor alfresco or entertaining area with landscaped gardens, and you even have your own patch of grass, all on a green title landholding. That means no strata levies. I look forward to seeing you if you come along to 12 Links Court in Claremont.